Hi there, I'm Andrew. Welcome back to Golden Age Financial, a YouTube channel helping older adults build confidence with money, investments, and everyday financial decisions. Today we're answering a big retirement question. When should you take Social Security? At 62, 67, or 70? We'll break down the pros and cons of each age, look at how your decision impacts your benefits, and help you find what fits your life best. Let's start with the earliest option, age 62. It's the most popular choice, but is it the smartest? When you claim at 62, your monthly benefit is permanently reduced by about 30% compared to waiting until full retirement age. Now, if you need the money, or if you have health concerns, it can still make sense. But it's not a free lunch. It's more like an early bird special with smaller portions. Also, if you're still working while collecting at 62, your benefits could be reduced even more due to the earnings limit. This chart shows how monthly benefits differ depending on when you start claiming. Bottom line, 62 gives you money sooner, but at a cost that lasts the rest of your life. Here's what to remember about claiming at 62. Next up, full retirement age, or FRA. For most people watching, that's age 67. At 67, you receive your full monthly benefit, with no reduction and no earnings penalty if you're still working. Think of it like arriving to the buffet right when it opens. Not too early, not too late, and everything's still hot. This is the age the Social Security Administration uses to calculate your full benefit based on your earnings record. This chart shows the percentage of benefits you get depending on the age you start. If you don't need the money right away and want to avoid reductions, 67 is a solid middle ground choice. Here's what to keep in mind if you're eyeing age 67. Now let's talk about the patient folks, those who wait until age 70. Each year you delay past 67, your benefit increases by about 8% per year until age 70. That's like giving your future self a raise. It's the highest monthly payout you can get from Social Security. But yes, you have to wait for it. No instant gratification here. This chart shows how benefits grow if you wait until 70. If you're in good health and have other income sources, waiting can pay off big in the long run. Here's what to remember about claiming at 70. So how do you decide? It's not just about math, it's about your life. Ask yourself, do I need the money now? Am I in good health? Will I keep working? And do I have other retirement income? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your Social Security decision should fit your lifestyle, not someone else's spreadsheet. And remember, this is one decision you can't redo easily. So take your time and weigh your options. Here's a quick summary that can help guide your decision whichever route you decide to take. Choosing when to take Social Security isn't about being right. It's about being ready. Here's your action plan to move forward with confidence. And if this helped bring you some clarity, give it a like, share it with a friend, or subscribe for more calm, clear financial guidance.